Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sign in Netflix on Smart TV with QR code. So first thing you have to do is just turn on your Smart TV and navigate to the Netflix app. Launch the Netflix app on your TV, and then once the app is open, you will see a screen prompting you to sign in. You just have to tap on sign in. Now you can also choose the sign in with QR code. If the option is available, you will see a screen that provides you with a QR code. The QR code will be displayed on the screen. Alternatively, it will say sign in using your mobile device or similar. So what you're going to do is just open your camera on your smartphone. It can be iPhone or Android. And then point your camera at the QR code displayed on the TV screen. Then a notification or pop-up will appear with a link to open. You just have to tap on that notification or pop-up on your phone to open the link. After doing that, this will redirect you to the Netflix website or app if you have downloaded the app. And then what you're gonna do is you just have to sign in with your Netflix account credentials if you aren't already logged in. So after sign in your mobile device, your TV will automatically recognize your account. And then you will now be signed in to Netflix on your smart TV. Now you have to take note that you have to ensure that your phone and TV are connected to the internet. Now, if the QR code method isn't available on your TV, you can manually enter the code on the Netflix activation page using your browser. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!